Hi, welcome along, and in today's video we're going way back to 1964 with a great song by the Fab Four, the Beatles. This is called If I Fell, from the film and soundtrack album of A Hard Day's Night. I do hope you enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you great people more guitar-based tutorials. So, on Fridays, as you may or may not know, I put out 50s, 60s and 70s tutorial videos. So if that's your thing, Friday at 5. So in today's video, we're going to be going through the chords, the strum pattern, basically everything you need to play If I Fell. So if you're ready, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, so first things first, let's get started with the little lead in. It goes like this. So first off, we've got If I Fell in Love with You, which is a D sharp minor. I'll show you these chords in greater depth in a moment. Down to a D, Would You Promise to Be True? And then we're going to come down a semitone to a C sharp, and Help Me, and then Understand, which is a B flat minor. And then it goes back round a little bit, much the same, but then it changes just at the end. Because I fell in love before, so we're back to the D sharp minor again. And then to the D, I found that love was more than E minor down to A. Right, so first things first. We got the strum pattern now. John changes it about a bit, but predominantly for this lead-in bit, we're going to do what works really well, which is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now, one lot of down, down, up, down, up, down, up per chord for the intro. So, first things first. D sharp minor. I'll put it up to the camera. If you can imagine a B minor, we're going to take that up to the 6th fret and then slap a bar on it. That's going to give us a D sharp minor. And then it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up for that. Then we're going to go down to the 5th fret, and we're going to, with our 3rd finger, hold down 4, 3, 2. I say and 1. You can't really help but hold down 1, but slightly lift off if you can, because we don't want to be playing that E string. That's going to give us a different chord. We want it to give us the sound of a D. This is a D major chord. Yeah, we don't want this, which is a D6. So it'll give us a D6. We want a D, just a D. Alternatives to that, you might want to put your little finger on and hold them strings down and lay your 3rd finger on that. Sometimes I do that. So whatever suits. Your 3rd finger is probably best though. And then go down to a semitone to the 4th fret, and that's going to give us a C sharp. C sharp, there we go. And then 6th fret, and on the 8th fret we're going to hold down the A string and the D string with our 3rd and little finger. And that's going to give us our B flat minor. So one more time through. So D sharp minor, da 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 dum, then to D da da dum, and C sharp, and then B flat minor, and then back round again. D sharp minor, da da da, then to D and da da da, and then E minor down to A, and that's the intro. That's the little lead in for the intro. Right, verse 1. Now, I'm going to tell you here and now, verse 2 and verse 3 are the same. Verse 1 is different, so it ends different. Let's get verse 1 in the bag. So first off, we've got a D. The verses are a slightly different strum pattern. The strum pattern we've just done does work, but this time, John's going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up for the whole thing. So starting with a D. E minor, F sharp minor, and then to E minor, then to A, 2, 3, and again D, E minor, F sharp minor, then E minor, then A and down to D, then G minor, A. That's verse 1. Let me show you a couple of them bar chords up to the screen. F sharp minor, we're going to bar all 6, and with our third finger up on the 4th fret, we're going to hold down the A string, and then with our little finger, we're going to hold down the D string. Up to the camera, there we go, so you can see. So we're going to go through the verse 1 again, just quickly. 2, 3, and D, E minor, F sharp minor, then E minor, and then A, 2, 3, 4, D, E minor, F sharp minor, then E minor, and then A, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, G minor, then A. Now we're into the verse 2, which is much the same. Here we go. D, E minor, F sharp minor, and then E minor, A, 2, 3, 4, D, E minor, F sharp minor, then E minor. Here's where it changes. A, 2, 3, 4, D7, D7, then to G, and then G minor, G minor, then to D, and back to A, and then we start again. So that was verse 2. Verse 3 does exactly the same as verse 2. Now I'm putting the chords up on the screen so you can play along with me. Like I said, verse 3 is the same as what I've just played for you, verse 2. So what we're going to do is I'm going to play verse 2 again. So verse 2 and verse 3, which is the same. 2, 3, 4. D, E minor, then F sharp minor, E minor, then A, 2, 3, 4, D, E minor, F sharp minor, then E minor, then A, and then D7, D7, then D7, then to G, G minor, G minor, then to D, and back to A. Then that leads into the final verse, which is verse 4. Again, much the same. D, E minor, F sharp minor, then E minor, then A, 2, 3, 4, D, E minor, F sharp minor, then E minor, then A, 2, 3, 4, D, G minor, then to D, G minor, then to D, and that's how it ends. Okay, so let me show you one other thing. There's a nice little outro you can do, which George does. It goes A, then with our second finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, then we're going to go semitone up, 3rd fret, which is A sharp. So we got, then we're going to reach down on the 1st fret of the B string for a C, 3rd fret of the B string, D, open E, and then we're going to play down on a D chord. Great ending. So there we have it. If I Fell by the Beatles, 1964. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any other song suggestions that you may have for songs you'd like me to show you how to play in a future video. If you've liked today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. And until we meet again, guys, it's been fun having you around. Take care. Catch you in the next video. See you soon. Bye-bye.